Yeah, everyone go ahead, turn around, wave goodbye to everyone on the dock. No, wave like you mean it, folks. You are never going to see them again. Then again, you probably never saw them in the first place, so I don't know. Okay, yeah, welcome aboard the world-famous Jungle Cruise, everyone. My name is Skipper Ryan, and for the next 16 weeks, I'll be your skipper, your tour guide, your dance instructor, your lion tamer, your bear wrestler, your snake charmer, your life coach, your personal trainer, your accountant, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, I'll be your swimming instructor. Cool, alright. Everyone, we're starting our journey on the Amazon River. If you look over here, you're going to see Inspiration Falls. Now we call it that because if you stare at it long enough, it'll inspire you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Sounds like inspiration to me, yeah. Alright, so around in the corner here, everyone, we're on the Congo River now, in the deepest, darkest part of Central Africa. That's right, everyone, we're just trying to see how far this boat can go. Right here, this is the Jungle Cruise boat rental shop. And now when you rent a boat from here, everyone, they let you pick between a regular paddle and a deluxe paddle. There's not a lot of a difference there, though. Really, it's either or. Right here, that's a python. And does anyone know the difference between a boa and a python? Pythons don't have feathers. Yeah, oh my. Oh man. You know, folks, it may seem like those gorillas like the supplies, but wow, they really flipped over the Jeep. Yeah, if any ever think about making a noise like a banana, I wouldn't, okay? I find that really appealing. It really drives so many, but I wouldn't. Okay. Yeah, so we're on the Nile River now, everyone. It's the longest river in the world. It just goes on for miles and miles. Right there's the second most dangerous animal in the jungle, the African elephant. Over here, there's the first most dangerous animal in the jungle, his mother-in-law. Right here, everyone, you're going to see this beautiful sandstone rock formation. Now, I think it's one of the bolder attractions here on the tour, but you can believe it. Some people take it for granted. Yeah. Okay, we're out on the African belt now, everyone. Here you can see all sorts of animals. We got some wildebeest right there. There's some giraffes back there. We got zebras over there. Fun fact about zebras, everyone. They're actually the oldest animals in the jungle. Yeah, they're still in black and white. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, so right here, everyone, I think this is really neat. Folks, isn't botany just the coolest thing? This morning, that tree had no limbs on it. Now it has 20. Yeah, you know, I told those guys it wasn't a good idea to try and outrun a rhino, but, well, looks like they're getting the point in the end. Okay, yeah, so moving on, everyone, we're now approaching Schweitzer Falls. Beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous jungle explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Now, you know, folks, they say that more water goes over Schweitzer Falls in 1 minute than a man can drink in his entire life. I don't know about you all, but I find that a little hard to swallow, yeah? Yeah, if you folks have questions about the falls, don't worry, okay? We'll be going over them later. So over here, everyone, this is where I live. It's a little plain, but it's home. Yeah, got a great deal on it, though. Half off. It's crazy, I know. Of course, downed airplane in the jungle can only mean one thing. That's right, everyone. Hippos. Yeah, you know, I've been told that when hippos wiggle their ears that it's a sign of aggression. I disagree, though, everyone. I think they're just trying to keep warm. I mean, they wouldn't want to catch hippothermia, right? Yeah, right, well, oh boy. Okay, so, you know, folks, a lot of you people seem to think my job is so easy, a monkey could do it. Those are apes though, so yeah. I don't know. Yeah, let's get out of here, folks. Oh, there's more of them. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like the chimps over here are eating their favorite snack, bread and butterflies. Yeah, those butterflies are the rarest animals in the jungle. About to become slightly more rare. Okay, you know what? Forget about all that, everyone. It's actually time for the moment you all have been waiting for. It's the 8th wonder of the world. The backside of water. Wow. Give it up, folks. Wow. O2H. A real beauty. Alright. Well, everyone, we're on the Mekong River now in Cambodia. Up ahead here, everyone, this looks like the entrance to some ancient temple ruins. And that's probably going to be a little scary in there, everyone, so tell you what, okay? You all keep your eyes open, because mine are going to be closed. Yeah. You want, okay? The elephants all have their trunks on. Yeah. Hey, over here, everyone. This is actually a pretty rare sight. It's a couple of baby elephants bathing under a full moon. How nice. Hey, yeah. So this elephant up here, everyone. Sometimes he likes to come up out of the water and spray at the boat. He can be a little tricky sometimes. Let's see. Hopefully he won't. Oh no! Watch out, everyone! Watch out! Watch out! No. Looks like he forgot to pack his trunk. Yeah, okay. So folks, really though, really what would a cruise through the jungle be without a stop by the gift shop? The gift shop, I'm sorry, the gift shop. Yeah, you know, we've seen some pretty amazing things out there in the jungle today, everyone, but, well, nothing quite as amazing as the deals we've got for you over here. Yeah, why not cap off your experience here by treating yourself to a hat? We here at the Jungle Cruise know everything about capsizes. Alright, everyone, well, we're now approaching the most dangerous part of our journey. The return to civilization. Everyone, I'm going to ask that as we round the corner right here and start to pull back up towards the dock, you all stay seated until we come to a full and complete stop. You keep your hands and your arms inside the boat. We don't want you to experience any unnecessary peer pressure. And then you exit out the door you came in through without crossing over these seats right here in the middle. Okay? Cool. Yeah, if you folks cross over these seats here in the middle, I'd have to ask you to cross back. And then, well, you know, that'd make you a double crosser. gonna trust you anymore. I really don't want that for any of you. Yeah, you know, folks, I gotta say, out of all the tours I've had today, you folks have definitely been the most recent. Yeah, and I mean that every time I say it. Yeah. And well, do you, if any of you were thinking about stopping by the Jungle Cruise later on, well, you know, I'll be around. And around. And around. Yeah. You ever feel like your job just takes you in circles? Yeah, me too. All the time. What's up with that? Of course, if you folks do end up passing on the Jungle Cruise later, I mean, we understand. Just make sure you tell all your friends about how much fun you had here, alright? It'll really help keep the wait time down. Alright, so folks, it looks like we still have a little bit of time left together. So, I guess I'm going to take a few moments here and thank a couple of our sponsors here at the Jungle Cruise, alright? So folks, the world-famous Jungle Cruise was brought to you today by Animal Crackers. Animal Crackers, teaching kids all over the world that all animals taste exactly the same. The Jungle Cruise was also brought to you by the Miracle Boat Engine Company. The Miracle Boat Engine Company, if it makes it through the jungle, it must be a miracle. And finally, the Jungle Cruise was brought to you by Zebra Jerky. Zebra Jerky, the every other white meat. Alright, now really though folks, all jokes aside, you all have been an outstanding crew. Really, truly outstanding. But, well, here's the thing. In just a few seconds, I'm going to need you all to be outstanding on the dock over there. Well, hey, it looks like it's just about that time. So once again, everyone, please stay seated till the boat stops. Keep your hands and your arms inside the boat and exit out the door you came in through. Now, folks, you know, we've laughed together. We've cried together, and well, after a cruise like that, there's really only one thing left to say, and I do mean this from the very bottom of my heart. Get out. Wait, no, I'm sorry, that was really mean. Let's try that again. Please get out. Much better. Okay.